Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop 2020. First, open up Adobe Photoshop 2020 and import the image you want to work with. Now, select the layer where you want the clipping mask to be applied. It could be an image, text, or any other element. With that layer selected, go to the layer menu at the top and choose Create Clipping Mask. Great! Now you'll notice that the layer you selected is now clipped within the shape or area of the layer below it. And there you have it. A quick and professional way to create a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Remember, this technique can be used for various purposes like creating cutout effects, blending images, or adding text within shapes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.